Example. So probably work with this. Okay, another layer. Okay, spill, and probably this one. Take note, ito yung mabilisan na paggawa, pero dapat alam nyo kung saan ilalagay. But definitely, you can work with some of the details. So let's go with some of the details. Probably this one. Okay. Sabihin natin, ang intent natin is we'll work with a brick wall. Okay lang naman, may brick wall tayo. Okay. Kunin natin yung horizontality, and probably I'll do some of the lines here. Okay. Then probably I'll work on this. Tapos ang gradient natin is coming from the side, paisa-isa na lang hanggang 2 mm. So now there is an intent for a brick wall for this one. Some of the students, ang ginagawa nila, iniisa-isa nila. Pwede naman, di ba? Pag binigyan kayo ng mahabang oras, walang problema dyan. Isa-isa nila, tapos i-gradient nila.